In this video, where I'm going to show how you're going to solve activity C. We are going to use the same procedure as what I've shown in the video that I attached in Google Classroom. Okay, most of the question is on number 5, 6, 7, and 8. We are still going to follow the same procedure like what I've said, but I am going to take one number to be an example so that you will know what to do on these problems. Okay, let's take for example number 6. All right, number 6, we have here 3/5 of 2 pounds. Okay, we have 3/5 of 2 pounds, so we are going to take the 3/5 of 2 pounds. So still, step 1, to get the fraction of an amount, we are going to divide the number to our denominator. So in this case, I'm going to write it here. We have 3/5 of 2. Okay, so in this case we have the number 2. Oh, 3/5, not 5. So this is 5, okay? 3/5 of 2 pounds. So we are going to use division. First step. This is the first step. We are going to use division. What number should we put inside? Of course, we are going to use our number or the amount, and that's going to be 2. And the number outside will always be our denominator. And in this case, we have number 5, so we put it outside. Now, you have to think, is 2 bigger than 5? No, it's not. So in this case, we need to use decimal point. So we need to put decimal point over here and decimal point on top here. And then we need to add 0. Okay, now it's enough. We can look at it as 20. Now, how many 5 is inside 20? Now you have to use your times table here. There are 4 5s inside 20. So you're going to write 4 on top of 0 or on the right side of the decimal point. If this is the decimal point, you put the answer here. Now do your basic division. 4 times 5. 4 times 5 is 20, so you put 20 there, and you're going to take away. You're going to take away, so 20 take away 20 or minus 20 is 0. So that is step 1. Okay, so that's step 1. We already have the answer to the division of 2 divided by 5. So the answer is 0.5. Now step 2. Step 2. We are going to multiply the answer. We are going to multiply the answer. Step 1. Let me just rub this off. The step 1, 2 divided by 5 is equals 0.4. Now step 2, we are going to multiply the answer 4 to our numerator, which is 3. Okay, we are going to multiply the answer. If you get confused again, where did 0.4 comes from? It comes from here. It comes from this, 2 divided by 5. Okay, this is the process. We get 0.4. Now we are going to multiply 0.4 to our numerator 3. So I'm going to put it here. 0.4 times 3 is equals. To get the answer 0.4 times 3, just do your basic multiplication. So 0.4 times 3. You put the 3 below 0 because 3 is not a decimal point. This is a 1's value. So the decimal point should also be here, because that is 3. It's not 0.3 or something. That's 3. So you put it on the left side of the decimal point. Now you're just going to multiply. 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So you're going to write 12 here, put 2 here, and then the 1 you carry on top of 0. And of course, you're going to copy. Don't forget to copy your decimal point. So you also have to copy the decimal point. Put it here. Now, 3 times 4 is 12. You put the 2 here, and then you put the 1 here. You cannot put 12 like that. You can't. You just put 2 here, and then the 1 you put on top. Now, 3 times 0 is of course 0, but we still have 1 here, so 3 times 0 is 0, and you're going to add 1 plus 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. So therefore 0.4 times 3 is equals 1.2. all right, 1.2. 0.4 times 3 is 1.2. Therefore, the answer to the question, 3/5 of 2 pounds, is 1.2 pounds. That's just it. Always remember to check your number here. If it's smaller than the outside number, if it's smaller, then use your decimal point and you put the decimal point on top. So that's the step 1. This is the step 2. Okay, and I think it's the same with the other ones. You still, like for number 5, you're just going to divide 1 by 10. You put 10 outside, you put 1 inside, and of course you have to use decimal point because 1 is smaller than 10. Okay, after you get the answer of that, you times that to your numerator 7. After you multiply that to your numerator 7, then that will be your answer. Same goes to 7, same goes to 8. It's still the same. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have explained that in the video. You can watch that video again.